Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about list comprehension. Okay, what is the meaning of list comprehension? Okay, list comprehension is one type of for loop. Okay, with the combination of some conditions also. Okay, let's have a look. By using list comprehension, we will prepare another new list. Okay, see here, have a look to syntax. Syntax is new list is equal in square braces expression for item in iterable. Okay, here iterable means variable. Okay, the list of elements will store in single variable, right? Okay, here iterable means that variable. Okay, if condition, yeah, if conditions is optional. Okay, now based on the requirement we have to use conditions or not, this is optional. Okay, let's have a look as practically. Here I am taking one list. Here I am taking one list. That list is apple. Okay, apple, banana, apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, apple, banana, and cherry. By using this list, I will prepare another list. Okay, here another list means the same list. I will, okay, same list. By using this list, I will clone another list by using this. Okay, just I will cloning. Okay, here I am taking one list. New list is equal. Here, what is the condition? The condition, see what is the syntax? The syntax first whatever we write, that we keep in square braces. Okay, first expression here, that expression I am thinking as x. Okay, for x in fruits. Okay, for x in fruits, prepare print new list. Okay, print new list. What happened here? Here x means that particular item. Okay, whatever item in the whatever here, this x means that is elements. Okay, whatever element in the list, uh, this x is represents that element. Okay, here this x is the iterable. Okay, this x is the iterable, and that means loop. Okay, in fruits means variable. Okay, let's have a look here. See, same. One a new list is cloned. Okay, na? Same. One new list is cloned. Okay, let's have a see next. Okay, see here. See one condition. Yeah, in previous one we see what is by using only for loop we prepared a list. Okay, here we will apply one condition also. See that condition is, the condition is like filter that only accepts the item that evaluate is true. Suppose in whatever list he given, you have to filter it. Okay, based on your requirement you have to filter it. That means if you want change the total elements into uppercase, you have to change. Okay, you have to change what, only letter a present in the elements, you have to print those elements. Okay, not present means you have to print those elements also. Based on your requirement you have to apply the condition, then after you will prepare a list. Okay, we will see practically. See, new list is equal to x for x in from x for x in fruits, if x not is equal to apple. Okay, if x not is equal to apple, that means here what he is asking, see new list as it is I am keeping up to here same, but here what he is asking, if x means this x. Okay, na? X not is equal to, okay, x not is equal to, x not is equal to apple. Okay, here now it will print banana and cherry. Okay, x not is equal to apple, only it will print banana and cherry. You only don't print it is asking. Okay, don't print it is asking. Okay, now see. Okay, see here. See more. You have to apply. Okay, the condition is optional. It can be omitted. Already I told you, right? This condition is just optional. Okay, but whatever for loop we have to using range also. Okay, you have to using range also. By using range also, I will see. Okay, here I will filter more. Okay, here I will filter more. That means suppose I want to print this list. Okay, I want to print this list. Already whatever elements in the list, those elements are in lowercase. Okay, I want to print it as uppercase. That means x dot upper for x in fruits. For x in fruits, let's have a look here. Okay, what happened? X dot, okay, here I missed this one. Okay, see, See the what are the elements are the elements are printed in uppercase. Okay, suppose I want to print only a letter presented elements. Okay, only a letter presented elements. How we will print? You have to apply. See here. Suppose if a in if a in okay x if a in x, that means what happened, whatever see a present in apple as well a present in banana, but a not present in cherry, that's why apple and banana printed. Suppose here I mentioned not in. Okay, not in, that means what happened, okay a not okay not I will keep in here, not in x. Okay, here I am removing this. See what happened. See, A not having elements are removed. Only cherry has printed. Okay. In this way, we have to apply conditions. Okay. Now, up to here, we see as iterable only. Now, I will prepare new list by using range condition. Okay. Let's have a look here. See, I am removing this. I am removing all. Just I want to print new list is equal. Okay. New list is equal x in x for x in range up to 10. Okay, for x in range up to 11 it will print up to 10. Okay, see print new list. Okay, print new list. Let's have a look here. See 1 to 10 printed. Okay, 0 to 10 printed. Okay, 0 to 10 printed. If you want to see from 1 to 11, okay, suppose if you want 1 to 11, you have to see 1 to 11. Okay, you have to see 1 to 11. If you apply any condition, you have to print up to 5 only. Just if x is less than 5. Okay, x is less than 5, only 1 to 4 only printed. In this way you have to filter the whatever given condition. Okay, now let's have a see. Let's have a see if any new thing is the already upper we checked. See new list hello for x in fruits. Okay, for hello for x in fruits, that means see here what he is asking. Suppose if you want to print, okay, suppose if you want to print here up to 4 elements printed, right? Okay, instead of that 1 2 3 4 I want to print hello. Okay, instead of 1 2 3 4 I want to print hello. See hello hello see x is less than 5 means total 4 elements will be printed. Instead of 1 2 3 4 it will print hello. Okay, hello string. In this way we have to do list comprehension. That's it for today, guys. In this video we learned about list comprehension. Okay, I hope you understand. If you understand, please like this video as well as share to your friends. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.